understands what things you're working on. We create a couple of spaces. Basically anything that is on your mind you can describe in natural language. In this case I want to draft a reply. Works a lot better and a lot more to your needs if you go in and you talk to Flora and Flora will handle the part of actually writing that email. When we got started, we actually were building a workflow automation platform at that time. Think of it like Zapier or Make. And we realized that many of the people we were working with and many of our clients didn't actually know what to automate in their day-to-day life, specifically in their email, but in many scenarios. And another thing that we realized was that all AI agents out there only react instead of actually doing work for you. And we thought the reason why employees are so powerful and so much more helpful is because they work for you and they come back to you with feedback or with approvals. This is how Dearflow was born. A platform where you, on one side, can manage all your emails way easier. We categorize them into spaces and we prepare actions for you. And on the other side, we prepare a UI where you can unify all the different actions, all your proactive assistants that work with you, come to you and tell you, hey, this is what I did, look at it, or hey, this is what I did, can I send this out, or can you approve this please for me? Yeah, so we basically moved email to more of a protocol rather than the actual communication device. The way Dearflow's interface works is we create a couple of spaces for you, and the way this works, Flora initially, when you connect your inbox, scans through it, scans through the last 200, 300 emails and understands what things you're working on, what emails do you usually get into your inbox, what things do you usually respond with, and sets up rules for itself and spaces for each of those rules in terms of how to categorize and organize all the work that you do. You can later change those by just telling Flora that something should be different. You can also go in and edit it manually. Usually it's fine if you just talk about a specific email and say, hey, this email I usually reply to like this, and it should land into my finance category. And then Flora remembers that, and next time we'll organize the right email. So the rules are basically scenario descriptors. In natural language, you can just say when an email includes a question about this and this part of my product, or if it's a bug report, or basically anything that is on your mind, you can describe in natural language. And you can also say, in this case, I want to draft a reply with usually this and this kind of direction of response, or I would want to create a to-do for my to-do list in this case, or I want to create a group of emails batched as newsletters so I can read them all at the same time when I'm traveling. Yeah, so you set up basically rules, and you can set up different kinds of actions for them that then in the right scenarios get suggested to you, get prepared with different kinds of responses. Yeah. Well, on one side you don't really have to set up a lot. Most of it happens by itself. Obviously it works a lot better and a lot more to your needs if you go in and you talk to Flora and you kind of set up more rules for yourself. But you don't really need to do that, as it initially already tries to set up, and it works quite well. And the benefit is, well, that you stop writing many emails yourself, you stop writing to-dos to your list yourself. You stay on top of everything with a peace of mind. You don't need to think about what follow-ups do I need to do anymore. You don't need to think about, how do I phrase this email in a polite way. You will just click a certain option like decline meeting, or ask for more information, or agree to meeting on Tuesday. And Flora will handle the part of actually writing that email. And yeah, so you save, basically like a developer saves time when using Cursor by not writing the code. You save a lot of time by not writing any emails, but just making decisions. Yeah, everything's live, and more proactive agents inserting into that same inbox are coming. And you can try it out by just going to dearflow.ai, go to sign up, and yeah, test it out for yourself for sure.